So I'm going to jump over on a different car and show you basically how the air conditioning system and the air compressor works. Now with our 2001 Bullitt Mustang, the compressor sits two down far into the engine bay and onto the engine to show you, to get a good shot of how it functions. So obviously over here this is our air conditioning compressor. This is our air conditioning pulley with our belt around it that spins all the time when the engine is on with the other accessories. And then this is our air conditioning clutch. Our air conditioning clutch is independent of the pulley until you turn the AC system on, and what happens is a magnetic field draws this clutch into this pulley, and then they spin all as one unit. And that gets the vanes going inside the compressor and then circulates the freon in the system.